What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video for the 04 Cobra. Today we're going to be going over a battery blanket. You can see here I have the Duralast ever since my battery on the 04 Cobra blew up a couple years ago. I had replaced the Motorcraft one with the Duralast because I was stranded, so I had to get this one from AutoZone. So I still kept the 59 series battery, which came in the car when I bought it, but I did not have a battery blanket. So after having the battery explode and there was nothing around it, it made a huge mess under the hood, and I will drop the link to that video right here so you can watch. One of the worst days for sure. But nonetheless, I wanted to find a battery blanket that would fit on it. Now, this one here is, if I can get it to focus, the part number. This says that it fits the 04 Mustang, but majority of them were for Series 58. So they were category 58 batteries, and when I had even checked on LMR and other websites, they all told me that it wouldn't fit on a 59, it would only fit on a 58. But I'm here to tell you that, as you can see here, it fits just fine on a 59 battery. So again, I will drop the part number in the description down below, and you saw it in the video that if you do need a battery blanket for any of your 59 batteries in any of your Cobras or New Edge Mustangs, that this one here in fact will fit, and it will save you a lot of headache, even though it says that it doesn't. So hope this helps anyone like me that was just looking for a new battery blanket, being that it is cammed and produces a shit ton of heat. And after having the battery explode, I figured I wanted something that was going to help insulate the battery and protect it from some of the heat under the hood, as well as keep it contained, God forbid another mishap happens. So hopefully this helps anybody. Let me know what you guys think. Drop any comments, questions below, and stay tuned for some more Cobra videos coming out soon once the weather breaks and we got a bunch of parts that we could put on there. So thanks for watching.